This mountain house is a tried alternative to long-term food storage. You just add water and it reconstitutes with nothing artificial as far as flavor or preservatives or colors. This has a 30-year shelf life, so it'll really last a good long time. It's got a Ziploc style bag in this foil pouch, so while this is going to last a good long time, you can reseal it so that once it's opened, you don't have to use it immediately. 17 grams of protein per serving, and it really is an effective and clever way to provide backup and supplement meals in a time of when you might need it. Hope this helps.